What's up guys, we're back and it's time to take a look at everything that's new with the brand new Pixel 6 series. Today we look at everything that's official for the Pixel 6, including the official samples, the specs, design, even the features that we didn't know coming to Pixel devices are here. Let's kick things off with the Pixel 6 Pro model. This is going to be their absolute flagship phone, and Google is saying that it's their smartest and fastest Pixel device ever. A true statement indeed, all thanks to the Google Tensor chip, which Google mentions the first thing when talking about the features of the Pixel 6 Pro. Then comes the camera, which is the most advanced Pixel camera ever on a Pixel device thanks to Samsung's hardware and of course Google's computational photography magic. Here's the feature chart for the Google's first ever custom built chip, the Google Tensor. It brings the advanced on-device AI for photos as well as videos, which is the most important part because we want Pixel to perform good in video as well. Compared to the previous generation, the Pixel 6 family will offer up to 80% faster performance with rich graphics, faster app loading time, and more responsive gaming. Then we have the deep dive with the camera. You can see the Pixel 6 Pro offering triple camera setup, and the main camera actually offers 150% more light compared to the previous generations. What's super exciting is that on top of having the 4x optical zoom, we also have 20 times super resolution zoom, so we can actually get pretty close thanks to Google's computational photography magic. It's gonna look really good even with that softer zoom as we have seen in the past. Then we have the ultra-wide selfie camera, which surprisingly offers 94° of field of view front camera experience, so you can have up to 4 people in the selfie. Then comes the magic eraser tool, which will allow you to remove people or objects from your image. Then comes the portrait mode, where you not only get better sharpness, but also Google says that you'll get authentic and accurate skin tones. Basically as natural as possible, something that I like as well, something that many companies still struggle to this day. So we'll see how Google eventually nail this, but these examples actually look pretty good. Now Google promises that battery life will be amazing on both Pixel 6 Pro and the Pixel 6. It can last beyond 24 hours even on 5G, and it charges up to 50% in just 30 minutes thanks to the brand new 30-watt wired charging and of course the 23-watt wireless charging with the new Pixel stand. Design wise, I think this is the best Google phone that we have ever seen. It's rocking the latest Gorilla Glass Victus along with a 6.7-inch smooth display. It's also the most fluent Pixel ever thanks to the Tensor chip. It can now translate up to 55 languages in private chats and messages automatically and securely. So that is all for the Pixel 6 Pro. Now here we have the full-on official image chart for the Pixel 6. Once again, it's rocking the same Tensor chip along with the same main camera as the Pixel 6 Pro, and of course it gets all those tightened security features as well as faster app launch along with an all-day battery life and of course the fluent live translate feature. We've got more marketing image samples from that 50 megapixel lens, and with the Pixel 6 you're only losing that 4x optical zoom. Rest of the stuff is pretty much the same as the Pixel 6 Pro. You get that same authentic portrait mode along with the night side and of course the magic eraser feature. Now even though there's no zoom lens on this phone, I'm pretty sure Google will bring its super resolution zoom on the base Pixel 6. And in case you're wondering, the base Pixel 6 is also protected by the latest Gorilla Glass Victus along with the official IP68 protection. So there we go, everything new and official with the Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. You get 128GB base storage all the way up to 512GB on the Pixel 6 Pro. You can also see the official name for the colors. Once again, they have their own Google Touch. And finally, but most importantly, both devices will offer 5G connection with sub-6/millimeter wave. Now pricing for Europe is confirmed, at least for the Pixel 6 model, but we don't know how it's gonna go for other markets, especially US. So here are the expected pricing for these devices based on the official latest rumors. Again, this is something that we can't pinpoint yet. The rest of the stuff that you have seen in this video is pretty much official and done. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. How excited are you for the Pixel 6 family? What's the one feature that you're most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.